School, and we will present to you our product. Biocool laminate flooring, a laminate flooring that is made up from non-wood fiber. Okay, before we begin, can I ask everyone in the audience to be a bit sporty this morning?
Yeah.
Okay. Can I have a show of hands who has laminate flooring installed in their houses?
Yes.
Okay, not so many I can see. Well, let me show you what. Ladies and gentlemen, laminate flooring is known to many to be a very attractive interior decoration. However, it is also known to be costly, not eco-friendly, and not resistant towards fire. Do you know it takes about 15 minutes for the house to collapse due to burning of fire? So, we brainstormed and we came across an idea. We want to create an eco-friendly, cheaper, and fire-resistant product that is made up from renewable material. That is our main goal, biocool laminate flooring. The advantages of our product is of course cost efficient, eco-friendly, and fire-resistant.
We have conducted a survey and compared the price of 100 square feet of commercialized laminate flooring and our biocool laminate flooring. Considering the fact that we did not buy the raw coconut husk at a bulk price, it is still very cheap. The price of 100 square feet of laminate flooring is 186 ringgit, while for the price of 100 square feet of commercialized laminate flooring is 1,200 ringgit. You can clearly see the difference, right?
Yes.
Our product is definitely eco-friendly because we are using non-wood fiber to create this product. And even we reuse the coconut husk, which is a waste material. So this means that we are not cutting down any trees, and even we are aiming to reduce deforestation. Next, for the fire resistant.
In the next slide, we will show you the burning of the raw material of biocool laminate flooring. As you can see, it takes a longer time for the raw material to burn, and it's not completely burned. I mean, if we are able to prolong a material from burning, then, ladies and gentlemen, within a few seconds, it is important to save lives. We are not even just talking about biocool laminate flooring, we are talking about a progress in the terms of engineering. If we are somehow to create a completely fire-resistant material, then it is a new approach to our country. The graph shows the average time of the raw material to burn in seconds against the percentage of the fiber used in the raw material. We conclude that the more the percentage of the fiber used in the raw material, the longer the average time for the raw material to burn in seconds.
Next, for the tensile strength. We have tested it with universal testing machine in the UTHM, and we can conclude that this raw material of biocool laminate flooring is really strong. This is the mechanical and chemical properties of coconut fiber. As you can see, the strength of the raw material of the coconut fiber is 140 until 225 megapascal. We can also see the lignin percentage is higher than the cellulose. So this literally proves that the coconut fiber is naturally strong. So this is the universal testing machine that we use in UTHM. So So we are targeting both local and international buyers. But in particular, we are targeting house residents, interior designers, and office residents. As a fully residential school student, I also recommend this bio-laminate flooring to be installed in schools and universities or even at our hostels. So let us show you what the procedure are into making this product.
First, we cut the coconut hulls into small strips. This is to increase the surface area for the next process. We then boil the coconut hulls in 5% of sodium hydroxide solution. The purpose of this process is to soften the fiber. After boiling, we rinse the fiber with water and let it dry. After ensuring that the fiber is totally dry, we insert it into a granulator machine for palpation. This is an image of the granulator. Then, the coconut fiber is sieved carefully. Lastly, we dry the raw material at room temperature to avoid it from crinkling out. So this is our raw material of bio-laminate flooring. Honorable judges, we even created a prototype to show to you what it would look like if the product ever becomes commercialized and is used widely. So, this is the commercialized laminate flooring that we use to install in the houses. And this one is our product, bio-laminate flooring. Here are a few samples of the raw material of bio-laminate flooring. For the first one, we immerse it in sodium hypochlorite, so it has a different color from the others. For the second one, we coat it with varnish to make it smoother. And for the last one, we coat it with the fiber of the coconut tree to make it more attractive.
So for our further research, we are definitely going to pursue our goal, and with the collaboration with the UTHM, University Tun Hussein Al Malaysia, we shall do some research on the water-resistant properties of bio-laminate flooring. We have obtained a few information regarding the water-resistant properties of coconut fiber. However, we still have not the proof if the coconut fiber were used as laminate flooring. So this is the fiber that is water resistant. Coir. Coir is a natural fiber extracted from the husk of coconut and used in products such as floor mats, doormats, brushes, mattresses, and others. Coir is the fibrous material found between the hard internal shell and the outer coat of a coconut. So other uses of brown coir, which is made from ripe coconut, are in upholstery padding, sacking, and horticulture. White coir harvested from unripe coconut is used for making finer brushes, string, rope, and fishing nets. So this coir fiber is relatively waterproof and is one of the few natural fibers resistant to damage by salt water. Thank you for listening. That is all from us.
Biodegradable, it can be eaten, yeah, or can biodegrade. So if we install it in our home, what do you think will happen if the house will have insects, cockroach, mice, and everything? Take into consideration what will happen?
As I said before, that is for our further research. We're going to do it in our further research. For this project, we only tested its fire-resistant properties.
One more question. From your graph, you mentioned there is 20%, 40%, and 80%. What does it mean?
That means the more the fiber we added into the raw material, So the longer the time taken for it to burn. The raw material is coconut fiber.
And what is the fiber?
What is the fiber?
You have a raw material which is coconut fiber, and then you add some other fiber, right? To give you 20%.
No.
What's the meaning of 20%?
30% of.
It's a totally coconut fiber. We do not use another fiber or what else.
Yes.
20%, so the other 80% is what?
Hmm.
Okay, just show the graph. That basically we're confused with the this one. Okay.
So raw material is 100%. The blue one is your raw material. It is 100%. What do you add to make it 20%?
Our raw material is of course 100% coconut fiber, but we add more fiber, add more coconut fiber into it.
I think let me just paint a picture what you're trying to draw here. We are a bit confused. Actually, you make it all into pellets like that, isn't it? Then you burn the fat. Is that what you're doing? You're making those little square things.
Yes.
Okay, so when you say raw material, the square thing is what? 100% all.
Oh,
Yes, it's 100%.
So when you say raw material, it's just all coconut husk.
Yes.
Okay, when you say 40%, the square thing is 40% coconut husk, and the others are what? What is the other? You didn't actually show us the process of making the laminate actually. You didn't show us the process of making that.
Yes, we are not making the laminate flooring. We make the raw material for laminate flooring.
Oh, okay.
The raw material.
What is it? So you make this, you make until the end, you get that.